Come bake with me and the Gluten-Free Baking Club for Kids. Each month, you'll receive a baker's box. Inside, there are so many surprises. It has the number one thing that you need to get gluten-free baking right, the perfect flour blend. My premium flour blend has been a fan favorite since it came out in my cookbook, The Big Book of Gluten-Free Baking. I'm thrilled to be able to partner with my favorite brand and bring you my very own blend, pre-mixed, pre-packaged, and ready for baking. Let your kids learn the basics of baking, plus the added bonus of being gluten-free and delicious with the GF Baking Club for Kids. They'll learn confidence in the kitchen, build community with other gluten-free peers, and bake delicious gluten-free treats. As a subscriber, your child is going to receive a baker's box each and every month delivered right to your door with a brand new baking experience. They can choose to bake alongside me in our virtual live bake-along or bake using my video at their own pace. Either way, I can't wait until you taste the difference my gluten-free flour makes in their baking goods. Let's make the gluten-free world a better place together.